How to turn on auto download documents when roaming on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto download documents when roaming on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find storage and data. Click on it and scroll down until you find when roaming. Here click on it and then documents, turn it on and click OK, and here just go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.